In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate in Canva. If you want to make your designs feel more dynamic and professional, Canva makes animation very simple, even if you are a beginner. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the basic process for adding animation to your design so you can bring text or images to life in just a few clicks. To get started, go to Canva. Once you're on the site, make sure you're signed in so you can create and edit your design without interruptions. If you already have a project in mind, you can open it directly. If not, you can start fresh and build something new. Next, click on Create. This is where you begin a new design. Canva offers many different formats, so you can choose the type of project that fits what you're making, whether that's a social media post, presentation, video, or another visual format. Picking the right canvas size at the beginning will make the rest of the editing process smoother. After that, select a text element or a photo in your design. This step is important because animation in Canva is usually applied to a specific object. So before you can animate anything, you need to click on the exact item you want to move or reveal with an effect. If you're working with text, click directly on the text box. If you want to animate an image, select the photo itself. Make sure the element is highlighted so Canva knows what you want to edit. Once your element is selected, click on Animate. You'll usually find this option in the editing toolbar when the object is active. This opens Canva's animation panel where you can preview different motion effects. This is the part where your design starts to become more engaging because animation can help direct attention and make your content feel more polished. Now choose an animation style. Canva gives you a range of effects and each one creates a different look and mood. Some styles are subtle and smooth, while others are more energetic and eye-catching. As you browse, you can preview how each animation looks on your selected text or photo. A helpful tip here is to pick an effect that matches the purpose of your design. For example, a clean and gentle motion often works well for professional content, while something more playful can suit casual or creative projects. And that's it. Once you've chosen your animation style, your element is animated and ready to be part of your final design. From here, you can continue customizing your project and preview the overall result to make sure the motion looks the way you want.